Hello and welcome to my channel. To start, trace a half oval shape onto a piece of backing board. Close the opening with 2 lines. Cover with decorative paper. Cutaway oval. Use cardboard for the sides, which measurements are the height of the fireplace. Next, cover both sides with decorative paper. Use coffee sticks to create the top border. Glue together 2 5mm dowel sticks. Glue mantle onto fireplace. Use coffee sticks to frame artwork. Next, cut out a piece of cardboard measuring 3 11/16 by 1 6/8 and another piece measuring 8 inches by 6/8. Cover both pieces with paper bricks, and then cut out an oval measuring 28mm. Glue pieces together. Then glue the wick and brick structure onto a piece of paper. Next, glue fireplace onto back wall. Place non-flammable twigs into the fireplace. Thank you so much for watching.